How do you debug JavaScript with Chrome DevTools? Imagine trying to fix a tricky puzzle where pieces keep changing shape. That's what debugging JavaScript can feel like sometimes. But don't worry, Chrome DevTools is here to make it easier. Let's walk through how to use it step by step. First, open Chrome DevTools by right-clicking on your web page and choosing Inspect, or press Ctrl+Shift+I on Windows or Command+Option+I on Mac. Once it's open, go to the Sources panel. This is where you'll do most of your debugging. Now the first thing is to reproduce the bug. Make sure you can see the problem happen consistently. This helps you find exactly where it's happening. Next, find the JavaScript file that's causing trouble. Click on the line number where you think the issue might be. This sets a breakpoint, which is like telling Chrome to pause your code at that spot. When you run your code and it hits that breakpoint, it will pause. You can then step through your code one line at a time using the Step Over button. If you want to go inside a function, click Step Into. To get out of a function, use Step Out. While paused, look at the scope pane to see what all your variables are holding. You can also watch specific expressions or check the call stack to see how your code got to this point. This is especially helpful when dealing with asynchronous functions like promises or async functions. You can set conditional breakpoints that only pause when certain conditions are true. For example, only pause if a variable equals a specific value. Log points are another handy feature. They let you log messages to the console without changing your code. This way, you can track variable values or program flow easily. Keep an eye on the console panel for errors, warnings, and logs. You can even run JavaScript commands here to test fixes on the fly. To catch errors as they happen, turn on pause on exceptions. This makes Chrome stop right when an error occurs, so you can see what caused it. Debugging asynchronous code is also supported. You can step through callbacks, promises, and async functions to see where things go wrong. This is key for fixing errors that happen in complex code. Using Chrome DevTools for debugging helps you find logic mistakes, incorrect variable values, and timing issues in asynchronous functions. It also improves your error handling by showing you exactly where errors happen. Remember, it's better than cluttering your code with console logs. Mastering these features makes fixing bugs faster and easier. So, next time you face a JavaScript problem, open Chrome DevTools, set some breakpoints, and watch your code come to life. Debugging JavaScript with Chrome DevTools is all about reproducing bugs, pausing at the right spots, inspecting variables, and stepping through code carefully. It's a powerful way to understand what your code is doing and where it's going wrong. With a little practice, you'll be able to troubleshoot complex issues, especially in functions and asynchronous code, with confidence.